Right, I'm going to show you how to solder the Bluetooth module onto the Espruino board. Now, the Espruino board has on the back of it a little space for the Bluetooth module, and all you have to do is align it correctly. So, for starters, the Bluetooth module has a little aerial socket on the back of it, and we just need to cover that with a piece of magic tape. There you go. So now you just position it over. You can see pretty clearly where it's supposed to go. Now you can solder all of these connections, but actually they don't need doing. The best thing to do is just to do 2 on each corner of each one of those 2 things. So if we just go and do this now, I'll show you how easy it is. It's a good idea to just do 1 in the corner first, and then you can slowly align it and get it exactly right. And now you can just work your way along and do the other corners. And that's it. You're done. You can tidy it up a little bit if you want, but now if you power on the Espruino board, it will actually work with Bluetooth.